Hello dear friends, today's discussion is visual code. I have already created this video. Please check how to do this kind of operations. Just this is the first visual code operation code C program. So I have already written hash include studio.h int main. So let's start to run. Let's start to run code C plus C plus plus file using okay. So terminal, so output, we check output. So my program is successful. Hello Probal. Okay, so this is the first and very short video that how to do visual code programming. I have already show online programming, but this is the short examples. So this is the terminal and sports. A lot of visual code is very important for softwares. Here you can do all programming like python python, java, etc, and it is very helpful for for graphics. You can also graphics and 3D programs. Thanks for watching.